Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we will discuss NAT. What is a NAT, and we will do the NAT on in a lab. So first of all, what is a NAT? NAT is a network address translation. That means we are the network address. The address translate to real IP translate to the some other IPs, IP and interface IP and public IP. Okay, that means let me explain with you. Yeah, just you are sitting here. Okay, connected with the internet, and the server is from the some organization. Okay, just your IP is 10 dot something, and your public IP. So whenever your PCs connect with the public internet, public IP of internet, so we are doing a NAT. Okay, why it is required? Because the private IP is not communicate to the outside of the interface. Okay, private IP is not communication with the public IPs and outside internet. So we will do the net with a private IP, private with the public IP. So we will communicate to the outside. Okay. How many types of net? There are three types of the net. Source net, two type of net. Okay, first is source net. Second is destination net. destination net Source net. In the source net, the source IP, that means suppose you are connect with the internet. Okay, your IP is 10 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1.1. Okay, you are communicate with the Google server 8 dot 8 dot 8 dot. So your IP, the 10 dot 10 dot is a change translate to the exit interface with the router. There is a router and is a exit interface is a to something IP 200 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1 dot 1 dot. It is translate this IP. And destination net, when like your server, there is your server, and it it is connected the public internet, and here you are sitting. Okay, this is source something your 10 dot something IP and 200 dot something IP. When is communicate, that destination is translate destination, like source is a uh, public IP, and the destination is your 10 dot something IP. Okay, and your organization firewall, your router, it is public, there is a public IP, then the hit in this interface and then translate to the private IP. This is destination. Okay, this is example. Yeah, the 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot the 10 dot 10 dot, when yeah, this is your firewall, this is internal, this is outside, and this is your IP. When you try to this internet, So your exit like this IP, when hit this IP and translate, and then reach to the destination. Okay, so I'll show you in a Fortigate. Perform source net. This IP is an internal IP 10.1.1.10. This is configured on the firewall internet internal, and the 200.1.1.10 is a public port number 3. It is configured. Okay, this is outside. This is inside. This is the outside, and this is the management. This is the management. This is the management, and this is DMG. Just we are today we will do on the source net, and so configuration on source net. So give me a moment. Yeah, this is a router. Show IP int brave Ethernet 0/0 200.1.1 dot. This is configured. So running configuration. Let me check. Okay, and Fortigate firewall is reporting. Now is up. Interface. Port 1 is a management port. Yeah, right. This is IP. So we can access 40. I'll show you. Interface. Go to the interface. It is configured. All this IP. LAN port 2 is a LAN port, and port 3 is a outside port, and port 1 is a management port. Okay. Okay. Delete will make a new policy for destination, and also check a routing part. The static route is the default route is toward this. Okay. Now create a policy. We are doing the source net. So we create a policy for source net. Incoming interface a LAN 1, outside is a WAN, source all, destination all. First of all, we'll do without NAT, and I'll show you how it's work without NAT. Okay, as policy is created. Let me check once able to ping or not. 1.1.10. Yeah, now able to ping from, and Yeah, it is configured IP 10.1.1 and 10.1.2. This is the gateway and the DNS. Okay, now able to ping or not? CMD ping 10.10.1.1.10. Yeah, I'm able to ping a gateway, and then now exit interface 10.1.1.1.10. Now able to ping, and also check it is not able to ping. Let me check. The policy is working because I'm able to exit interface IP. Yeah, but not able to ping. Then means I have to configure. I have to configure IP routing. Now I have to configure. IP default gateway 201.1.10, right? The command I hope so is able to ping. Yeah, right. Okay. Now debug. Open a debug. Debug IP ICMP. Okay, and I'll check you how is the ping is working. Yeah, I'll show you again. That means the reply is 201.1.1. That means router is replying. This host is replying to this this PC. Okay. Now we are doing the source net. We creating source net, enable and dynamic pool. We are using a one sum pool. Just wait. Give me a moment. Let me check. What is the pool? Yeah, this pool is a source net and overloaded 172.16 is a private IP. Is a private IP. Okay, it's enabled, and add this source. Okay. Uh, Now check. Whenever the enable the source net, the reply the source is at 201.1.1, destination 172.16.10.14. That is the 14 is the net pool IP. Okay, one of the net of pool IP. It is a reply. Okay, that means is source net is working here. Okay, and I'll show you also one more thing. Take a putty 192.168.1.40. I'm not able to take a putty. Give me a moment, I'll check. Yes, because I'm not enabled SSH, so that's why I'm not able to take a. Yeah, 192.168.1.40. Okay, get. session list. So you can check. You can check ICMPs from this to this and destination. You can check the source IP is translate to that 14 and then 14 hit to this one. Continuously you can check. Okay. And now you can also check here. We can also do a one-to-one netting. A specific IP. I'll show you. One-to-one. 172.16.20.2. 172.16.20.2. Now you can check. Yeah. Now the new IP is 172.16.20.2. Now session list you can also check. New IP. Yeah, this one. ICMP that you're using. So source net is working this type. When the private IP is translate to the IP pool and then use a net IP. One more way of using net IP using a interface IP. Using an interface IP. I'll show you also this one. Debug IP ICMP and yeah, you can check interface IP source net. And one more way I'll explain you. Fixed range IP, internal IP range and external IP range and port block type. Okay, one-to-one, and mostly with organization we are using the overload and one-to-one. One-to-one is a static NAT, overload is a pool. The pool is decide to there are 10 IPs. The 10 IP first to come first take IPs from the pool, and second user come to take a second IP from the pool. They are using the this way. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and please support us. There are lots of things in the pipeline. We will explore and then upload a video on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.